living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
Kali ini Kak, kita mau review unit-unit yang menarik banget nih Uti.
Unit-unitnya apa aja tuh Marta?
Nah, mau tahu nggak Kak, ada unit apa aja? Yuk ikutin kita.
Sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change.
Nah Kak, kita di dalam unitnya lagi nih Kak. Ini kuncinya Kak, kita coba nyalain ya. Nah, untuk kondisi unitnya, AC-nya masih berfungsi nih Kak. Untuk lampunya juga masih nyala. Untuk sen kanan kiri juga masih oke semua Kak. Kilometernya ada di 127.000. Untuk overall kondisi unitnya masih oke nih Kak, masih cukup rapi. Sekarang kita lanjut ke Uti sama Marta.
Doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut.
Wah, unitnya kece banget ya Marta.
Benar banget Kakak. Nah, Kakak mau tahu nggak unit itu buat event kapan?
Untuk event lalang hari ini Kakak.
Nah, mau tahu nggak Kak, harganya berapa nih Uti?
Untuk harganya segini nih.
Nah, buat Kakak yang masih kepo sama unit-unit yang ada di Tunas Auction, Kakak bisa kepoin ke marketingnya Tunas Auction Kak. Untuk nomor ada di mana nih Uti?
Ada di sini dong.
Nah, bisa juga ke websitenya Tunas Auction Kak. Untuk linknya ada di mana nih Uti?
Ada di sini juga.
Nah, makanya Kakak jangan lewatkan atau ikut lelang di Tunas Auction ya.
Setiap hari Senin sampai Jumat jam 12 siang sampai dengan selesai. Jangan lupa nih untuk Kakak semua untuk ikutin sosial medianya Tunas Auction. Jangan lupa untuk di like,
Di subscribe,
di komen,
dan di share.
sosial medianya Tunas Auction. Sekian info dari kami.
Terima kasih.
Not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.